Today I'm sharing some of the craft kits that I got from Temu, and I'm going to review them on this channel, but I'll show you what I've got and what's coming up. I've never done any diamond painting before, and there are a couple of really cute ones, so I picked up a few of those. There's a mosaic coaster kit that I thought I would try. I've never tried wool felting, so I purchased one of those. Colour wheel keyring, I thought that was really cute. This next kit is a Christmas Macrame Kit, which has got a whole lot of ideas for making Christmas macrames out of wool. So macrame ornaments, I should say. This is a paint by number of this cute house. We have like a little, I guess you could say it's an apartment, but it's more of a granny flat here in Australia out the back. And we have people stay there, so I got this sign to go on the front door of that, which I'll put up later. We always called it the chalet, but I think we're going to start calling it the studio. Like I said, I will look at all of these more closely in upcoming videos rather than open them all now, because I love to store them away until I'm ready. This next kit is one of those rocker wooden kits, except the cheaper version, and this one is the owl. So you can see that there. This is going to be very interesting to put together, but there's some instructions there. If you can make out there, it's an owl wall clock. So once I've finished making my globe, which I'm still in the process of, then I will make a start on this one here. That's my next one. So that one gets safely put away until I'm ready for that. I believe the last thing in here are these acrylic, and these are to house my alcohol markers. Right, so here's a look at these acrylic containers. So they do stack on top of one another. So the ones that I'll be putting in here eventually will be my Ohuhu markers. So I'm going to just slide them in here because they will fit on my desk. I just moved other things down. Okay, so they will be perfectly situated there. So again, a couple of different craft kits to keep me occupied apart from that one. So just a few crafts there coming up on the channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you like to see what these craft kits are like, and get my honest review on those. Just while I'm here, this is my office cum studio, and it's probably in need of a really good clean up. If you like those sorts of videos, let me know. But that's a video for another day. So thanks for sticking around and watching, and I will see you in the next video.